Mr. Star, me meet a man online in a last year and him did seem really nice. Him used to visit me and send money for me, but for some reason my family them never like him. Them say him look like a madman in a clean clothes. Him just spend money upon me, so I was thinking it's a pure jealousy and bad mind make them not like him. After a few months, him invite me to come live with him at Kingston, and me gladly go because the part of the country where me come from did boring bad. When me reach, him tell me say him have a ex-girlfriend who live near, we want him back. Him always a show me several other women who him say well want him. Me not pay that no mind, cause me know me can quint it up like that. Me feel proud when me see them a look pan way when we a walk star. After a few weeks, things take a turn for the worse. Him start tell me say me can't stay with him no more because him ex-girlfriend say she a breed for him, and me did say me no want no more children. Me did think a joke at first, but then one night